This next one, coin shortage prompts bank to pay you for spare change. It's never happened before. Huh. Can you imagine that, Will? A coin shortage. Oh. Do you even know what that means?
I guess it's a shortage of coins. Like, we don't have many more coins.
Yeah, that's right. It's a coin.
Where did they all go?
It's a literal coin shortage. People hoarding the coin because they're not out exchanging cash. Normally, coins are coming back because the stores are receiving cash, making change, getting change from the receiving change, bringing change to the bank. Yeah. None of that's going on. So it's a coin shortage with the lockdown. And it's such a shortage that banks, community banks, are actually paying people extra for their change. Your change is more valuable now than the actual face value of it.
Should get my piggy bank.
Yeah, if you're saving up coins, man, you got to head down here. Where is this? This is Milwaukee. Head down to Milwaukee, bring your change, and catch an upgrade. It's $5 extra for every $100 worth of coin brought in. Here's the example they give. If you bring in $218 in coin, they'll give you $228 back. That's not bad. You just need $1 million in coin, Will. Oh, you get a nice little increase there. They probably have a limit to it. But it is just a nice little community story where they were like, hey, we're going to have to buy this somehow. Yeah. And we might as well give it back to the local community here as opposed to buy it from the Fed. That's what they say in the article. So anyway, this was news to me, coin shortage. And it got me thinking about the last time I used a coin or had a coin. I haven't had a coin in months, years. I don't know the last time I had or used a coin.
Do you hoard them though?
No, I have no coins. I don't know where all the coins are. I'm tapping on the phone, and worst case scenario, I'm tapping the card.
Right.
So
yeah, same here.
Where's the coins? When's the last time you used a coin in a store or a bank or anything?
Years.
It's been a while, hasn't it? It's a crazy thought, man. The coin is over.